Good morning, children. Today I, Kamaljeet Kaur, your English teacher, going to discuss determiners. So this is your first page of determiners. Okay, determiners, the words used before nouns or noun phrases to determine or fix their meaning are called determiners. That the words that is used before noun or noun phrases are called determiners. They refer to something specific or particular. Kinds of determiners: articles, definite article and indefinite article. Indefinite article, the is here. Indefinite articles are a, an. Next one, possessives: my, your, his, her, its, are, their. These are possessives. Then demonstratives: this, that, these, those. These are demonstratives. Next one, distributives: all, each, every, both, neither, either, etc. These are distributives. Next one, quantifiers: few, little, much, many, a lot of, most, some. These are quantifiers. Further, numerals, cardinals and ordinals. Cardinals like 1, 2, 3 and ordinals first, second, third. Last one, interrogatives: which, what, whose. These are interrogatives. So you can read these examples by yourself. Okay, move to the next page. Focus on article a or an. Now, indefinite article a or an. A determines a singular countable noun beginning with a consonant sound. I saw a movie. She found a book. So here consonants are here, M, B. So we are using A here. An determines a singular countable noun beginning with the vowel sound. We saw an apple in the basket. So an is here with the vowel sound a, apple. Remember, the initial sound, not the spellings, is important. Okay, so according to sound we will write a or an. The following words begin with vowel letters but are pronounced with consonant sounds. They take a before them, like a university. U is vowel, right? But its sounds is different. Okay, its sound is different. University, year. So we will write a here. The following words begin with consonant letters but are pronounced with vowel sound. So they take an before them. An hour, an MP, an SP, an honor. Some words begin with the same letter but are pronounced with different opening sound. Attention must be paid to the opening sound of the word before placing a or an. An honest man. H is silent here, right? If an adjective comes before a singular countable noun, the opening sound of that adjective decides the choice between a or an. A red apple. An amazing car before adjective, right? A or an is used when referring to a single object, right, or a person. An orange, a necklace before a noun mentioned for the first time, before a noun which is an example of a class, to express quantity, before units of price, speed, ratio, weight, etc., before certain numbers, in expression of frequency, in certain exclamatory expressions, before names of professions, before nationalities and religions. A or an is not used before plural nouns, before uncountable nouns, before abstract nouns, before names of meals. You can read out the examples and read it in full detail. Okay, come to the classroom assignment 39. First part, fill in the blanks with a or an, put a cross where no article is needed. First one, it is dash 1 rupee note. It is a 1 rupee note. O is here. O is vowel sound, right? O is a vowel, but we will not write an here. Why? Because its sound is V. Sound starts with W, 1. So that's why we have put a here, right? Ben is dash European. Ben is a European. E is vowel here, but its sound is different. European, right? So that's why A here. Same as he is a university student. So next one, rest of the sentences you can do it by your own. B part, fill in the blanks with correct articles. Rahul is dash honest person. Rahul is an honest person. He works in a bank. Here H is silent, so that's why we have put an here. Okay, honest according to O, not H. Okay, he works in a bank. It is a European bank, right? So read this paragraph by yourself and solve it. Insert a slash at the place where a or an is missing and write the correct article in the space provided. What you have to do, put slash where a or an is missing, okay, then write in front of it. She is intelligent girl. She is an intelligent girl. So an is missing here, we have put slash here. She is an intelligent girl. Next one, that is screwdriver with an insulated handle. That is a screwdriver with an insulated handle. So rest of the sentences you can do by yourself. Okay, try it. Moving further, D part, encircle the correct answer. You have to circle the correct answer. Okay, I am looking for an atlas or a atlas. I am looking for an atlas. She delivered a interesting or an interesting lecture. She delivered an interesting lecture. He gave an wrong or a wrong answer. He gave a wrong answer. Right? The vowel letters and according to sound you will choose. Last one, E part, complete the answers to the questions below together with a or an. Use these words. So options are here. You will choose it one by one and write in these blanks. Okay, who was Newton? He was a scientist. So we will add a or an according to the sentence words. Okay, according to the first letter. Who is Ratan Tata? He is an industrialist. Who is Ratan Tata? He is an industrialist. So we have added an here according to I. Okay, vowel sound, vowel letter. Who is Manmohan Singh? He is a politician. Who was M.F. Hussain? He was a painter. Who is Mickey Mouse? He is a cartoon character. Who is Amitabh Bachchan? He is an actor. Who was William Wordsworth? He was a poet. Who is Virat Kohli? He is a cricketer. So from the options we have completed all this. Okay, with a or an.